Good morning, everyone. We are going to discuss about Jose Rizal, life, works, and writings of a genius, writer, scientist, and a national hero. So here's the chapter 1, Advent of a National Hero. Dr. Jose Rizal is an example of a many-splendored genius who becomes the greatest hero of a nation. He was born on the night of Wednesday, June 19, 1861 in the lakeshore town of Calamba, Laguna, province of the Philippines. Rizal's full name is Jose Portasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Arellanda. He was the seventh child in a family of 11 children, 2 boys and 9 girls. Both his parents were educated and belonged to distinguished families. He was born at the expense of his mother. His mother almost died during the delivery because of his big head. Baptized at an age of 3 years old at the 22nd of June by Father Rufino Colliantes, a Spanish priest. Rizal's godfather is Father Pedro Casañas. The name Mercado in 1731, which means market. His name Jose was chosen by his mother, who was a devotee of the Christian saint San Jose. His father is Francisco Mercado Rizal and his mother is Chodora Alonzo Rialonda. Francisco Mercado Rizal was born in Biñan, Laguna on May 11, 1818 and died in Manila on January 5, 1898 at the age of 80. He studied Latin and philosophy at the College of San Jose in Manila. He was known to be a hardy and independent-minded man, dubbed by Rizal a model of fathers. Don Francisco was an industrious farmer and independent-minded man who talked less and worked more and was strong in body and valiant in spirit. He married Doña Chodora on June 28, 1848 after they settled in Calamba where they engaged in farming and business. Doña Chodora was born in Manila and was educated at the College of Santa Rosa, a well-known college for girls in the city. She possessed refined culture and literary talent, business, and fortitude of a Spartan woman. Rizal lovingly said she knows literature and speaks Spanish better than I. She corrected my poems and gave me good advice. The Rizals is considered as one of the biggest families during their time. Researchers revealed that the Mercado Rizal family had also traces of Japanese, Spanish, Malay, and even Negrito blood aside from Chinese. Saturnina Rizal is the eldest of the Rizal-Alonzo marriage, married Manuel Timoteo Hidalgo at Tanuan, Batangas. The second is Pasiano Rizal, only brother of Jose Rizal and the second child. Studied at the San Jose College in Manila, became a farmer and later a general of the Philippine Revolution. He was also known as the Piloso Potaseo in Nolime Tangere. Narcisa Rizal was born on 1852 and died in 1939, the third child, and married Antonio Lopez at Morong Rizal, a teacher and a musician. Olympia Rizal was born on 1855 and died in 1887. The fourth child and married Silvestre Obaldo died in 1887 from childbirth. The fifth child is Lucia Rizal and married Matriano Herbosa. Maria Rizal is the sixth child and married Daniel Faustino Cruz at Biñan, Laguna. He was born on 1859 and died in 1945. Jose Rizal was born on 1861 and died in 1896, the second son and the seventh child. He was executed by the Spaniards on December 30, 1896. He was also known as the greatest Filipino hero. Concepcion Rizal is the eighth child and died at the age of 3. The ninth child was Josefa Rizal, an epileptic, died a spinster. Trinidad Rizal was the 10th child and died a spinster and the last of the family to die. Soledad Rizal is the 11th child and the youngest child, married Pantaleon Quintero. Rizal's a mixture of races, both the blood of East and West. Negreto, Malay, Indonesian, Chinese, Japanese, and Spanish. He is also predominantly Malayan. Rizal's paternal side. Rizal's great-great-grandparents is Domingo Lamco, who later adopted the name Mercado on 1731. A Chinese immigrant from Changzhou, also married Inés de la Rosa, a Chinese Christian lady from Manila. Great-grandparents is Francisco Mercado, who married Cerilia Bernacha. Great-grandparents is Juan Mercado, who married Cerilia Alejandro. Francisco Mercado is the youngest son of Juan Mercado and he is Rizal's father. Let's move on Rizal's maternal side. On his mother's side, Rizal's ancestry included Chinese and Tagalog. His mother's lineage can be traced to the affluent Florentina family of Chinese, mestizo families originating in Baliwag, Bulacan. He has also had Spanish ancestry. Rizal's great-great-grandparents is Eugenio Ursua. Great-parents in Regina Ursua, who married attorney Manuel de Quintos, a Filipino-Chinese lawyer from Pangasinan. Grandparents is Lorenzo Alberto Alonzo, a prominent Spanish-Filipino mestizo of Binyan. The surname Rizal. Rizal's second surname came from Rizal, which connotes green fields or pastonereso. The one is the word Rizal came from Ruz, Spanish and Arabic word for rice, or from Spanish Rizal to mean green field. The other one is Arabic word which means the plural form of Rahul, a man. The Rizal's home. Behind the house, there was a poultry yard full of turkeys and chickens, and a garden of tropical fruit trees such as atis, balimbing, chico, makupa, papaya, santol, and tampoy. The Rizal Shrine in Calamba is a reproduction of the original two-story Spanish colonial-style house in Calamba, Laguna, where Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861. A good and middle-class family. Belonged to the Principalia, which are noble class or aristocrats, and one of the distinguished families in Calamba. As evidence, the family had a big stone house, a carriage, a status symbol of the Ilustrados in Spanish Philippines, and a private library which is the largest in Calamba, consisted more than 1,000 volumes of books. A good family was participated prominently in all social and religious affairs in the community, hosted to visitors and guests irrespective of their color, rank, social position, and economic status. The Rizals are simple, contented, and happy life. Family ties of the Rizals was intimately close, loved their children but never spoiled them, and trained their children to love God, to behave well, to be obedient, and to respect people. Religious family herded a mass in town and prayed together. However, despite being branded as affluent, the Rizals were in reality an upper-class family who had just enough to send 11 children to good schools. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned from my discussion.